Come on, fuck your blueberry bully. Fuck you, your blueberry bully going to die blueberry. No blueberry bully can come out of that blueberry bully. You know what I'm talking about? No blueberry. Fuck you!
I saw that.
I hear that bastion. I'm gonna go fuck with that bastion.
You should go mess with that bastion. Do it.
Alright, all my... What?
Given that one of the CDs in there, it's in good condition, can sell for like, with packaging and stuff, like with... But I also got orange juice in the door. It's very tempting. I think I'll do like a swig of orange juice and then finish up my wife.
I hate orange juice, bro. I actually like orange juice.
It's okay. It's not my favorite. Personally, I prefer like cranberry or apple juice, but... Or grape juice. Grape juice is also okay.
Nah, grape juice is S tier. Now, cranberry juice is butt cheese.
Bro, you are wrong. Like, if it's like the cranberry juice is like mixed in with a bunch of other like fruit juices and whatnot, that shit slaps.
Oh, let's put this in. Oh my god.
Hey, you're kinda...
The orange juice went up my nose.
I know.
It went up my nose, man. I have to blow my nose, and I guarantee the tissue is orange. Oh, I wasn't wrong. The tissue is orange now. Holy fuck. Oh. My eyeball itches.
Get down, How do I go up when I'm wall climbing?
Fuck!
Oh, I do have to look up.
Hey, stop! Get his ass, Schlong. Ah, there's a Mercy. Freak, man. Freak. Alright, Mercy's dead, never mind.
I smacked his ass in the
down.
face.
Get her ass.
No, you never heard! No, you never heard! Boulder. I smacked his ass in the face with that shit.
I saw that.
Bozo. Freak. About to blow.
I just need to practice aiming with this character. I'm never gonna play him.
Oh!
Get dipped. I tried.
Oh my god.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Bitch.
Oh my god, I flew the next.
Oh! Bitch.
Damn. You're like Anthony,
Bitch.
but not that good. I lied. You're so fucking fat.
Fuck you.
I forgot about that actually. In there. Mercy's half. Oh, I'm cool with it. Man, we just cleared that whole thing.
Yeah, we did.
No pause. That's a bastion.
I get tired of ice cream.
We?
Oh, you want to play like that? Alright, I see.
Oh, funny Arisa.
Oh fuck, we got another set. I mean, not another set. It's Zenyatta. God damn, this fucking lag.
I hope you bulletproof for this about to hurt.
Watch.
Get fucked!
Why so serious? He's trying to beat my cheeks.
He's trying to beat my cheek.
No, why did our Mercy come over here? I'm healer. Why?
Oh my fucking god.
That you died.
I'm fucking done with this game, bro. I'm gonna go play Minecraft, bro.
My rug doesn't go through barriers. That's there. Oh my god. Ooh. There's a sim teleporter somewhere.
I mean, I would rather just see. I don't want to see progress. I just want to see like the actual like fucking. You know, I want to see like the full progress. I want to be surprised. By the way, Kiriko's low up top.
Enemy spotted.
Get your ass back here! Got him.
Sucking.
Excuse me.
This guy's fucking. Bro, you're so short.
Bro, you
You're
were
so
literally floating off the ground. That's not fair.
You're so fucking small.
Short Torin, you're 5'6" in real life. Sit down. Shut up.
You know what, Aiden? I'm going.
Turn this shit off!